Alright, I got some ratcheting pruning shears right here. I'm going to go over the good, the bad, the true, and the false on these for you. So as you can see, they're made out of some type of cast material, it appears right here. We have an all metal blade on here. It comes to a thin point down here, and it is very sharp. When we're looking at this, you got these wide open, you got about an inch right here. About an inch right here. Now, I'm not going to suggest tackling something that's an inch unless it's maybe a live tree or something, a soft wood like cedar maybe. When you get down to doing the bigger stuff and it's a hardwood, it is a little bit harder to use, but this stuff is perfect for pruning rose bushes, brush, small to medium type of trees and bushes. They're ambidextrous. You can use them left-handed or right-handed. You've got the latch on either side of them. There's going to be play in here. I've heard people talking about the play in here. You have to have play on these. It just has to be designed that way. You can't have this stuff squeezed all the way down or you'd never be able to close them in the first place. Great feature here is that you can stick your whole hand through here, so less likely to drop them. Let me just show you. As far as small stuff goes, it just cuts through it like butter. Medium things, no problem at all. When you get to these larger pieces of wood, this is about 5/8 of an inch in diameter. You're going to have to take your time on it, and you want to squeeze it down and let the ratchet move from position to position to position. So right here, position 2 right there, then moving to position 3. Maybe I move it around a little bit and just ratchet it down until it cuts. This is a very hard piece of wood. That's how it works. When you're done, you got the slider on here so you can lock it in place, hang it on the wall, throw it in your garden bag, and you're good to go.